Hey everyone, good evening. Just came back for a short live as I promised. Keep on commenting, and then let us see. Here comes the first question for you all. The Machilipatnam city that was recently seen in the news is located in which state? The first question for you all. Machilipatnam city that was recently seen in news is located in which city? मछलीपट्टनम जो शहर है वो जो अभी रिसेंटली न्यूज़ पे था वो किस स्टेट में लोकेटेड है ओके एंड ऑप्शंस फॉर यू आर एज फॉलोस लाइक कर्नाटका केरला एंड आंध्र प्रदेश एंड Odisha. These are the four options. These are the four states. In which state? And now let us see. Let us see the answers. Correct answer is Kerala. Let us see a little bit about it. And it says that Machilipatnam is seeing a revival as nearly 48% work on the new greenfield port, Manjingpuri. Okay, is completed. रिसेंटली जो है मंजिंगपुरी में जो न्यू ग्रीनफील्ड पोर्ट जो नया तरीके से डेवलप किया जा रहा है और अगर डिटेल में अगर देखा जाए तो मछलीपट्टनम जो शहर है हिस्ट्रिकली बहुत फेमस हुआ करते थे उस जमाने में स्पेशली फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सेंचुरी BC फॉर स्पेशली फॉर ट्रेडिंग पोर्ट राइट. We'll move on to the next questions. I will go a little faster so that today is as we are going for first time, we'll have only 5 questions today, and tomorrow on we'll be coming back for the same at 8:30 sharp. 8:30 p.m. sharp. So if you are finding it suitable, if you are finding it learnable, you can just join at 8:30 live, and you can, if you are new to the channel, you can just subscribe the channel, and you can press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of this video or the live. Even also this broadcast will be shared as video later on, so that you can go and for your information. So now let us go to the next questions. The next question is, which institute has launched YD1, India's lightest active wheelchair? Okay, which institute has launched YD1? YD specially stands for YED. Okay, it's a lightweight wheelchair for all kinds of physics. Everybody can use it. So let us see which institute have started it. The first one is, it says IIT Madras. These are the options for you. Okay, if you are watching, you can keep it the IIT Madras, then IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, and IIT Bombay. Okay, so IIT Bombay, these are the options. Now let us look into these answers. Let us look into the correct answer. What is the correct answer? It is IIT Madras. IIT Madras recently have launched a YD1 wheelchair, which is the lightest and active wheel and India's indigenous invention. Look at here. Let us see. It says Indian Institute of Technology IIT Madras recently launched YD1, India's lightest active wheelchair. It is the first indigenously developed precision-built monotube rigid frame wheelchair in India. It is developed by TTK Center for Rehabilitation Research and Device Development R2D2 at IIT Madras and Tribe Mobility Startup. It aims to offer affordable high-performance mobility and reduce dependence on costly imports. Okay, this was the second question. Which institute has launched YD1, India's lightest and active wheelchair? Okay, so now let us go to the next question. The next question, it says, rare electric bluebird grandula was recently spotted in which state? Now let us see the options for you all. That's Sikkim, Assam, Himachal Pradesh, and Odisha. These are the options for you. And now let us see the correct answer. It says Himachal Pradesh. Let us know a little bit more about it. It says, look at this. A rare electric bluebird grandula called grandula was recently spotted in Senj Valley, okay, Himachal Pradesh. Grandula belongs to the thrush family called Tadaid, okay. It is the only species in the genus Grandula. It is an arboreal insectivorous, meaning it lives in trees and eats insects. It is found in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Tibet, and China. It lives in alpine and subalpine regions at 3,000 to 5,000 meters altitude. Okay. And in the next, let us move to the next question. It says, the Pavna River that was recently seen in news is located in which state? The Pavna River or Pavan River, we say in Hindi. The Pavan River or Pavna River is, which was recently highlighted in the news, is located in which state? So, if you know the answer, you can type it, or if you do not know the answer, let me give you the options. Okay, the options are Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. These are the options for you. If you know the answer, you can just share it, or let me also give you the answer quickly. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Okay, the correct answer is Maharashtra. Move to the next question quickly. The Javelin anti-tank guided missile is developed by which country? The Javelin anti-tank missile is guided by which country? The Javelin anti-tank guided missile is developed by which country? And the option for you is Russia, USA, France. That is a spelling error. It is fresh is written. N is omitted from here. So you should correct the spelling. That is France. Okay, France, and then India. The answer is USA. And let's see. India recently sent a letter to request to the United States to co-produce Javelin anti-tank guided missiles. What is it? ATGMS. Okay, within the country. And Javelin is a man-made, portable, American-made anti-tank guided missile. It is jointly developed by U.S. defense companies Rhythm and Lockheed Martin. Okay, Rhythm and Lockheed Martin जो company है मिलके बनाए हैं, and it is also says that it is designed to destroy heavily armed vehicles like main battle tanks and lighter military targets. It can also hit bunkers, fortifications, and even helicopters. So this is the quality of this Javelin anti-tank guided missile, which is developed jointly by the US and India. Okay, let us move to the next question. Yeah, so these are the 5 questions which we have learned today, and that's all for today's in today's live. I will just stop sharing, or I'll just stop this PPT's presentation. If you are finding it valuable, you can just like the live and share it, as well as you can just come back and join again in tomorrow's live session at 8:30 p.m. Okay, so thank you. Have a good night, everyone.